I'm happy to join with you today and what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
What up? What is up, y'all? It's your girl Patty, and welcome to my channel, Patty Locs. So today I wanted to give you guys like a cool little vlog. Unfortunately, I went out last night and forgot my debit card at the bar. So what I'm doing now is heading back to the bar to get my debit card. So that's what I'm gonna do, get my card, and I guess give you a regular vlog. I mean, if I put this up, but we'll see. Anyway, let me go get my freaking debit card. Oh my god, the performance was great. My phone died. Yes, I was recording with my phone. It died. But there was a kid saying, eh. The I Had a Dream speech by Martin Luther King. I am so, like, I actually teared. It was really sweet. It was really sweet. They have no clue what I'm doing. Alright, so I just wanted to say I'm sorry because I was unable to record video this weekend, which I was very excited about doing. I just wanted to give you guys an update of my weekend and, of course, my hair. This past weekend, I went to a fundraiser with Natalia, and they had a bunch of amazing, talented people. Natalia performed, and at the end, they had an open mic, and this kid stood up, went up front, and was like, I wanted to say Martin Luther King's speech. Now, this kid was 8 years old, and he said Martin Luther King's speech from the first word Martin Luther King said ever to the last word he ended with in that speech. That brought me to tears. To see an 8-year-old memorize something so powerful, it brought me to tears. It was just beautiful to listen to, and how passionate he was behind it. It was just very heartwarming and beautiful. When I tell you I teared, I teared because I felt it. I felt it right through his voice. I felt it. And yeah, like as you can see in the back, I have you see right there. So it has where is it? Okay, it has Martin Luther King, Obama, Malcolm X, Nelson Mandela, and Bob Marley, of course. And each one represents, sorry, I gotta fix the camera. Sorry about that. Each one represents something, a powerful word. So Martin Luther King represents peace. Obama represents power. Malcolm X represents respect, and Nelson Mandela represents dignity, and of course Bob Marley represents, you guessed it, love. Anyway, I just want to say that was amazing. To my hair now, I'm not sure if you noticed anything different, but like I said, I did a retwist on the 18th of January. In 4 days, it unraveled. Every lock unraveled in 4 days. So the moment I did that video, the next day, everything unraveled. After this weekend, 2 days ago, Monday, I decided to do interlock. So I interlocked my own hair. It was easy. I used this tool. It has like a part if you need to part your hair, and the latch. So this is what I used. If you can see it, yeah. So this is what I used. It took like an hour and a half. It wasn't bad at all. Like, it was so easy to get done. So now it felt good. So now I can see when my hair grows rather than just seeing the growth that I already had when it unravels and not being able to notice if it grew or not. So I decided to do the interlock. Yes, I know I said I wasn't going to keep it like parting or retwisting my hair or whatever, but I had to do something. But now I can wet it whenever I want, every time I shower, and let it get more full and lock easily. So yes, I wet my hair every day because I want my hair to lock fast. Don't be afraid to wet your hair every day, okay? I mean, I'm not a professional, but I did a lot of research. Do not be afraid to wet your hair. If you get a shower, wet your hair. It's going to lock faster. So this is where I'm at, and it's a bit damp because I just came out the shower, but yeah, this is where I'm at, and I like it. I like it a lot. Interlocks is where it's at. I just love it because you can do whatever you want. You could work out, you could go to the gym and work out and take a shower and like really scrub your scalp like without it unraveling. So that's what I love about interlocks. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Again, sorry I wasn't able to put up more footage. I'll see you next week because I'm not gonna pick a day anymore because that it never works out. I promise I will always have a video every week, either 1 or 2 videos tops, and I'll have a video every week. So just spread the word. Remember, if you like the video, if you love what you see, comment, like, subscribe, and of course ring that bell for notifications. And of course, one last of course, share if you like the video. Anyway, Patty out. Mwah, mwah.